In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn with HubSpot for 2024. Let's dive in and make sure we've got everything set up just right for a seamless experience. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. Why HubSpot, you might ask? HubSpot is a powerful platform designed to help businesses with everything from marketing and sales to customer service. Now, to get started, simply open up your web browser and type in HubSpot. You'll be directed to the main homepage where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll want to look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click that to enter your HubSpot account details. If you're not already a HubSpot user, this might be a good time to set up your account. But assuming you're all set with your login credentials, proceed to access your account. This takes you to your HubSpot home, which is the central hub where you can access the various features and tools that HubSpot offers. Now it's time to find the marketplace icon. This icon is your gateway to a whole range of apps and integrations that can supercharge your HubSpot experience. Once you see it on your HubSpot home, give it a click. Next, you'll be taken to a section where you can explore different apps. Look around a bit until you spot the apps menu and click on it. This is where you'll find all the applications that can be integrated with HubSpot, allowing you to expand its capabilities significantly. Your next step is to search for LinkedIn. You might notice a convenient search bar on the page, which you can use to quickly find LinkedIn. Once you see LinkedIn pop up in your search results, click on it to access its integration settings. Integrating LinkedIn with your HubSpot can unlock a wide array of features such as tracking social media engagement, managing LinkedIn leads, and much more directly from your HubSpot dashboard. The final task is simple but crucial. Click Install App. This will initiate the integration process, linking your LinkedIn account directly with HubSpot. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure that the installation is completed successfully. At this point, you might be prompted to enter your LinkedIn login details to connect both platforms securely. And there you have it, you've just integrated LinkedIn with HubSpot, creating a more robust and comprehensive tool for your business needs. This seamless connection opens up a range of new possibilities, allowing you to streamline your operations and make data-driven decisions across both platforms. Stay tuned for more tutorials that aim to make your digital experience smoother and more effective.